Hello world, Rich Fortney here, Quest to Get on the Alone Show. Hey, today's episode is going to be me showing you how to make a friction fire. I'm going to go over the elements of doing it. I know I've done this once before, but this time I was wanting to use cedar. I know it's a lot easier. I'll go over the woods. I'll go over that you should be using, at least here in the Appalachian Mountains. There's 4 that you could actually choose from. We'll go over that here in a second. But if you like this video, subscribe and like. I'm going to go over the essential tools, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you all. And I won't bore you with the cutting of the woods and stuff, but I will do a time warp so that you can see me doing it. So with that being said, let me go ahead and start talking about what you actually need for a friction fire and a bow drill set. First thing you're going to need is a bow. Okay, there's all kinds of bows that you can make. As far as the materials that you would need for it, you kind of want a stick that's no longer. Notice how I've got the bow portion, and then this portion back here is just the handle part. You can use any kind of string you want, 550 cord, bank line. Mikey Hilton Jr.'s got that video on how to do it with a double string, so that's good. You're also going to need to make a spindle, a baseboard or a heart board. It's where you get your ember from, and something to put it on, and also a bracing block, basically to hold it. I personally love this. It's a knife a buddy gifted to me. So if there's anything that I've learned about friction fire, because this past year I've done nothing but practice friction fire. I even went up to Dan Wowak's school, Mike Gasper and all those guys. I'll show you a video. We spent hours doing it.
Mike's going to support you from that side. Can you just move that stuff there for him? Mike's going to watch your angle, so you watch his front angle. Okay, so we want to make sure all that's nice and straight. Alright. And listen, if stuff hurts, it hurts. Yep. It's only going to hurt for a little bit. Full strokes, Rich. Just listen to what we're doing here. Twinkle. So a little bit more. See how we're bouncing here? Yeah. A little less bouncing and a little bit.
Brace it up against your thigh there.
If you can. There we go.
Yep, there, right there. Move forward just a little, right there.
Now, as you go, Rich, that's digging in. Don't stop because I'm talking to you.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to, where it's a slow application of pressure here.
Okay.
Which everything is going good. You're getting dust. Fuller strokes though.
A little bit of smoke.
There you go.
Whoop.
So hot. Did you get it right in there? Yep.
Okay. Let me reload so we're not messing with it.
That's how you should be, like that, straight up vertically if you can.
I'm trying right there.
Yep.
Okay.
Jack.
Yeah.
Side by side is much way better.
Yeah.
Take a look at my stuff.
Lean into that, spin a little bit more.
Where are they?
You there.
There you go. No, I said,
Rich, you see the difference there?
Turn on the side by side.
More pressure, lean into it a little bit more.
Yeah.
When it's on,
Lean into it for me.
crank it back one click.
Alright, double time.
Come here.
Fast. Faster.
Can I just watch
Faster.
this? Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Alright, quick. Come here.
Got an ember. Oh, damn.
So watch when you get up though.
Yep, you don't want to break it. Okay.
Wow,
Wow, that was less than 40 hours, Rich.
Look at that. Look at that. See how it's growing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Nice job.
So now,
Thank you, gentlemen.
Yep.
Thank you.
tap that. Give it a little more fuel because you're going to run out. Break that little, yep, that little bit of dust. So
off.
listen, we got to move a little bit quicker because we don't have a ton of dust there.
Yeah.
So we're going to transfer that over to our bird's
Gotcha.
nest.
Yep.
And then we're going to load the flame.
Got it.
Bring that in. Don't smother it. There you go. Yep, you got it. Okay, work it. Close it down a little bit. Nice. Good sparks. Close it in a little bit. There you go. Nice. You're gonna get flame. Keep on going. Yep. Bring it up. Bring it up above it. There you go. Keep on going. You're getting it. There you go. Gotta give it fuel.
That's material.
Yep. There you go. Come on, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's getting there. There you go.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Good job, buddy.
First shot. First job.
I got. Okay. Once I get going, I'm not going to build a giant fire, but you want to basically have all your material ready to start your fire. You want to have a nice bird's nest. I put a nice chunk of cottontail fuzz in there. That'll get it going. Plus, I'll use some of this punk wood. Keep the ember going. Now that you see that, I'm not going to build a big fire because it's really dry here. I don't want to possibly catch anything on fire, so we're going to go ahead and continue. Now I'm going to go over the 4 basic woods that you could use, our logs, that we have here in the Appalachian Mountains. Your first one would be cedar. Right here's a cedar log. What I plan to do with it, I'll show you in a minute. The other one is your poplar. And those are 2 of the softest woods that we have here in the mountains. You can also use elderberry, the stem of it. Gotta make sure it's at least a good 3 inches around, but those trees can get big, elderberries. And then also eastern white pine or sycamore. Those 2 are about roughly the same thickness, and basically what you're trying to do is trying to see if your nail will go into the wood. That's the soft wood that you want. Now see this centerpiece? You do not want that in any of the woods, because that is too soft, and you'll just burn it up real quick, and you won't make a good ash with it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a time warp, show you all what I'm going to do, and we're gonna make as a set. The bow, it's really simple. I'm gonna use bank line. Basically it's right here. It's a nice bow. It's green because you want it to be a little flexible. I just tied a piece of bank line on it, as you can see. Put a little notch in the top, bring it down, tie it around where you can give you, in case you need a little extra tension on it, and you'll see once I get a spindle made. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the time warp and get that knocked out. Okay. Now it's the transfer of it. Ooh. It's always the hardest part. There we go. Like I said, I ain't gonna build a real big fire, but there you have it. All right, not too bad, huh? Okay, well, that just goes to show you, friction fire, not easy. But if you prepare, and prepare good, it makes it a little bit easier. It took me 2 tries to get that going, but hey, that's the way it goes. So just remember, soft woods, cedar, tulip poplar, elderberry, white pine. I personally think in that order, for me anyway, that seems to have been the easiest to actually get an ember going. A little coal, a little ash, whatever you want to call it. So with that being said, hey, if you like this video, subscribe and like, and remember, arrivederci.